Hello everyone! It's me, Girlie. Welcome to my channel. Today tayo ay gagawa ng chicken sopas. So itong ating mga ingredients. Gagamit tayo ng 1 medium size onion chop, 6 cloves garlic mince, 2 medium carrots cut into strips, 3 hot dogs or sausages, 1/2 medium size cabbage chop, 2 cups macaroni pasta, 1 whole chicken breast shredded, 1.5 liters chicken broth o yung pinagpakuluan ng ating chicken, 50 grams butter, 2 to 3 cups evaporated milk or fresh milk. Gagamit din tayo ng cooking oil, salt, ground black pepper, fish sauce o patis, at water. So, okay guys, umpisahan na natin. So, sa ating preheated cooking pot, maglalagay tayo ng oil and then isosaute natin sa fish sauce ang garlic at onion. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating shredded chicken breast at isusunod na natin ang ating butter. Haluin lang natin ito at igisa natin for 3 minutes. Ilagay naman natin ngayon ang hotdogs or sausages. And then, maglagay din tayo ng ground black pepper. Lutuin natin ito for 1 minute. After 1 minute, ilagay na natin ang ating chicken broth. At maglagay din tayo ng additional 1.5 liters of water. Takpan lang natin ito at hayaan natin kumulo. So kapag kumukulo na, this time ilagay na natin ang ating macaroni pasta. Haluin lang natin ito occasionally and let it simmer for 8 minutes. So, after 8 minutes na kumukulo ang ating macaroni pasta, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating vegetables. Yung ating carrots at cabbage. Let's cook this for 5 minutes. So ngayon, ilagay na natin ang ating evaporated milk or fresh milk. Magdagdag din tayo ng salt para ma-adjust natin yung lasa ng ating chicken sopas. Haluin natin at hayaan natin kumulo for the last time bago natin i-turn off ang ating kalan. So guys, here is our chicken sopas. Napakasarap nitong kainin tuwing merienda, lalo na sa malamig na panahon. Thank you for watching!